Snooze, you lose. Shh. Guys, if you don't have a graph calculator out today, better get it out right now. You're going to need it today. So we're going to do two things. We're talking about evaluating functions, which is old hat. We've done this before. Right? Should be very good at it by now. Second thing we're going to do is we're going to talk about solutions. Talking about what type of solutions we can get based on looking at graphs. Should be a really easy day. So, first one, evaluating quadratic functions. How many of you think you can do the first one there? F of -2. Yeah. There's one hand in the air.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Debatable.
How many people think they can do this?
I can.
Correctly.
I'm not going with my hand, but I can.
Sweet. Andrew, what would you do?
How would
You had your hand up,
I
right?
did.
Yeah, so what would you do to solve it? You said you could do it.
You plug the -2 in, correct?
You plug the -2 in. It's pretty easy, right?
Who's up?
3 times -2 squared minus 2 times -2 plus 5. Pretty easy, something we've done before. -2 squared is 4. Minus 2 times -2 plus 5. Well, 3 times 4 is 12. -2 times -2 is 4 plus 5. So 16 plus 5 gives me 21. Okay, that was easy. We've done that before. Okay, well, how many of you think you can do f of 1 plus f of 3?
Yeah.
Everyone's hand should still be up if you can do the first one.
Yes.
Right? All you got to do is find f of 1, what does it equal? Find f of 3, what does it equal? And then add them together. Right? So let's do that. F of 1. We get 3 times 1 squared minus 2 times 1 plus 5. Is that what it was here? Yeah. Okay. What is 1 squared? 1 minus 2 times 1 plus 5. Well, 3 times 1 is 3. -2 times 1 is -2 plus 5. So we get 6. However, remember, that's not your answer, so don't circle it, put it on the line. Don't do that. Part 2 is figuring out what does f of 3 equal. Well, 3 times 3 squared minus 2 times 3 plus 5. 3 squared is 9. So 3 times 9 minus 2 times 3 plus 5. 3 times 9 is 27. -2 times 3 is -6. Plus 5. We get 26. So, we found f of 1. We found f of 3. Let's add them together. We get 32.
Do you have to write it anywhere? Just right there.
What's that?
You have to write it in
Yes.
32. Circle around it. Okay. Square would work. Just please make sure it gets on the answer line. If you just leave it in the middle of the place and I have to go searching for it, and I get upset, then I grade your test harder. So, okay, those were easy, right?
Yeah.
What was the next one? 6 times g of 0. Think you can do that one?
Yeah.
What would you do? Cal, what would you do? Plug 0 in, right? Find g of 0. And then multiply it by 6. So, let's find g of 0. Well, I just have a weird looking form. It's fine. Plug 0 in for x. 2 times 0 minus 4 squared plus 1. Well, order of operations, do it in the parentheses first. 0 minus 4 is -4 squared plus 1. Hey, what's -4 squared?
16.
16. So 2 times 16 plus 1. 2 times 16 is 32. Plus 1 is 33. Just put 33 here.
No, you got times by 6.
No, right? We got times by 6. So 6 times 33. 198. Right? 6 times 30 is 180. 6 times 3 is 18. Add them together, you get 198. Okay, do the last one. G of -5. Do the last one. I need one volunteer when they're done. Come on up, Cam.
Oh, I ain't done.
Okay.
I'll just do it.
No, when you're done, you're it's fine.
I like the pressure.
Watch out for the camera, don't knock it over.
Yeah, be careful.
What happened?
You gotta fall. I'm leaving.
Yeah.
Hey, even though he's doing it on the board, you guys should all be doing it on your paper, so you can check your answer with his.
You said my answer was you?
Get this right in his back. What a weirdo. What?
That's interesting.
My back?
My son is really smart.
No, I'm good, thanks. Why do you use goldfish?
That's a huge bag.
My goldfish are stale and I was really sad.
More of a Cheez-Its than a goldfish person.
It's our way. No.
You're a
No.
goldfish.
Just said
that.
Ew.
So
Okay, this is a AV conversation. See your way out.
See your way up. I'm going.
Got him.
I
Got
had to
him.
think about it
What's
for a little.
81 times 81?
Wait, 81 times 81? Or plus 81? 162. We're not squaring it, multiplying by 2, right?
Both my shoes getting tight.
81 squared would be fun.
This is an AV conversation.
What is 81 squared?
That was.
Alright guys, check your answer with this. Did you get 163? Yeah?
No.
No. Yes. Normal, like head nod, no, yes. Okay, sweet. So that's easy. We've done that way before, right? Next thing we're going to talk about, you need a graphing calculator for. Hey.
I need your charger.
What? It's being used currently, sorry. Listen up. So, the day one, we said solutions meant the same thing as roots and zeros, right?
Yep.
You shouldn't be surprised to see those words together, as well as x-intercepts. We said on a graph, you can tell where solutions are by the x-intercept. Well, there are 3 different types of solutions we can get. The first we can get is 2 real solutions. That's when we hit the x-axis twice. Right? Both times it hits the x-axis, we get a real solution. Makes sense? We talked about that day one, right? Okay. Well, we could also get 1 real solution if we hit the x-axis once. And what are you noticing?
What?
Every time we hit the x-axis, we get a real solution, right? We hit it twice, we get 2 real solutions. We hit it once, we got 1 real solution. Hey, guys, stop talking. Thanks. If we don't hit it at all, we're going to get 2 complex solutions, right? Which means they're imaginary solutions. They're non-real. So those are the 3 different options you can have. You can have 2 real, 1 real, 2 complex. Now on a test, or even an exam maybe, they may also throw in there 1 complex. When does that happen? It doesn't, right? We didn't discuss it. It doesn't happen ever. They might throw in no solutions. Never happens. 2 real, 1 real, 2 complex. Okay? So, they happen when we hit the x-axis twice, once, or don't hit it all. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull out our graphing calculators. We're going to punch in some equations to see what type of solutions we're going to get. So, I'm going to pull mine up as well. I have a really cool calculator. What? So, what you need to do is go to your y equals, please.
How you do that?
Come on in, man.
Hey, he back.
Go into your y equals.
How's the stomach?
Clear everything out if there's anything in there. And the other thing you do, look at your plots on top. Are any of them highlighted? Yeah, right? Because these are the last unit. What you need to do is you need to go up to that plot, you need to hit enter, and you need to go back down and you make sure it's unhighlighted. Or you get errors. Y equals, top left button on your calculator. Okay? So are we all here? Do we all have a clear y equals? Do we all have our plots turned off?
In the corner, should it say x equals or y?
That doesn't matter. Okay. Then what you're going to do, you'll notice the first question on your packet says, using a graph determine how many solutions each equation will have. We're going to plug in that first equation. 2, parentheses. Hey, if you don't remember where your variable button is, it's right by the alpha. It's Then x, t, theta. So x minus 3 parentheses squared minus 5. So you're going to plug that in and then you're going to hit the great graph button. Top right, graph. And it should pop something up like this. Right? Oh, yours doesn't show that, does it?
No.
Yes.
No, why? It's probably good. Well, some of yours might.
Mine did.
But, like, some of yours, your window may be off.
Mine's blue, so.
So here's what we're going to do. We're going to set our windows. If you go to the window right next to y equals, I want you to set your window to be just like mine. Your x minimum is negative 10, your x maximum is positive 10. Your y minimum is negative 10, your y maximum is 10. Yes, sir?
So if it hits the x-axis twice, it's 2 real solution?
Correct.
And then it hits us once, it's 1.
Correct. So, make sure your window's set like mine. 99% of the problems we're going to do with this, that window will work. But hey, if that window doesn't work, if that's too small, what do you think you should do?
Ask for help.
Ask for help or make it bigger. Instead of going negative 10 to 10, go negative 20 to 20. Crazy, yes sir.
So after this, are we ever going to
Yep. So, then if you change your window, you should be able to see it, right? Have we all been able to see our graph?
No.
Yeah.
Like always. Okay. We all good?
Yeah. Immediately.
Okay. So,
Okay.
you look at your graph.
Okay.
It hit the x-axis twice, which means it should be 2 real solutions. So I would circle 2 real solutions. Now what I want you to do is I want you to try the next 2. Plug them into your calculator. Figure out what we get. 2 real, 1 real, 2 complex.
Is there a way to do this without
There is, and you'll figure that out. I believe tomorrow we'll talk about it.
Okay.
We took that, they gave you like.
What's that?
So we have to do parentheses or no parentheses.
You shouldn't have to, but you might need to.
Wait, so there's no possible solution? No, I mean, two complexes. Shut it. Shut. That means that there's 2 complexes.
Oh, I
I forgot how to change this.
What does that mean?
Wait, whoa.
two complex?
There we go. Yeah, that red one, guys, it never hits the x-axis, but that does not mean no solution.
It's 2 complex.
That's 2 complex solution. That's the second one, 2 complex.
Second one is 1.
How do you know that?
Everybody posted this.
Dude, I'm so smart.
Yeah?
There we go.
I was hoping I can never be too sure. Especially in this one.
Carl's calculator's here.
Okay. Hey, so the red one was 2 complex. What's the black one? 1 real, right? Only hits it at the vertex. That's the key. It only hits it at the vertex. So last one is 1 real. Very good. All right. Any questions? Sweet. Homework time.
It's almost just like the calculator.
That's so cool.
That's so cool.
Let me see.
Part of it is that.
Yeah, but how did you do that?
No.
Look at this. Look at
There's
this
like I think
sarcasm.
4 problems like that. Looks like.
Why did you do
Why would you do that? That's like a
Why did you go up by a lot? Because I had to go up by 2.
Swipe up. Subscribe.
Yeah.
No.